Heya, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just did a swatch party of PINAS newest release, yung PINAS Tinted Lip Gloss, and later I will be reviewing and giving you my final verdict and recommendations. But before that, if you have any makeup or beauty questions for me, you can always message me on my Instagram account. It's @megababuya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of the Boo fam, then we have a Facebook group and a Discord server. So if you want to be a part of those groups, the links will be in the description box below. Lastly, a little disclaimer lang that some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission when you buy products through those links. That commission will really help sustain this channel. So if you want to support me and my channel other than viewing my videos, subscribing to my channel, sharing my videos, and liking it as well, this is one way of supporting me and my content. So thank you guys so much in advance. Now, let's discuss the product information. So again, I just watched their 5 shades. So again, yung shades ay Makni Eye, yan ay Clear Gloss, Hining, yun yung Frosted Apricot, Sidlak, which is a Muted Fuchsia, Nilap, which is Power Red, and Nasileng, which is Warm Terracotta. Yung shade names ay the word shine when you translate it in English. It's just in different Philippine dialects. So later guys, i-discuss ko yung shades, kung ano yung mga bet ko, tsaka hindi, and i-rate ko din sila isa-isa. Next, yung shelf life naman niya ay 1 year from the manufacturing date. Yung net weight niya ay 2.5 ml. It is paraben and cruelty free. And yung price niya ay 169 pesos each. Tapos, if you buy the set naman, it is for 800 pesos. By the way guys, if you're wondering kung saan yung mabibili yung PINAS na products, naka-link na dun sa description box ko. Or, if you want na mas closer sa inyo yung distributor nyo, guys, I also have a contact sheet of the local brands, distributors, and resellers in the description box below. Also, another option for you to find local distributors ay nasa Instagram account ng PINAS. Nandun sa Instagram bio nila. May Google Sheet din sila for contact list ng mga local distributors and resellers ng PINAS. So far, I think wala pang official Shopee or Lazada shop si PINAS. Parang distributors lang lahat. So even when you click the links na nakalatag sa list ko, actually it's from a local distributor din that I found sa Shopee. For the product description and claims, dalawa lang yung nakita ko na parang major claims nila. So, first claim is high shine. And I definitely agree naman na high shine naman yung product nila. By the way, if you are wondering if it's tacky, sticky, hindi. It's not tacky, it's not sticky. Your lips are comfy. Second and last claim nila ay wearable yung shades na in-offer nila. Now, with that said, let's discuss naman yung shades na in-offer nila. Okay, so first shade. Again, for the shades, as I usually do here on my channel, I rate the shades from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest score. So first na shade na sinwatch ko kanina ay yung Makni Eye. I'm sorry if I'm murdering the pronunciation. Please correct me in the comment section below. Anyway, yung first na shade ay Makni Eye. It's not a shade, it's just a clear gloss. And this is gonna get a 5 from me. Kasi, you know, it's clear gloss, it's safe. I can top it on any lippy that I want. They're a must-have. Kaya 5 yan agad. Next shade na sinwatch ko is Hining, which is yung Frosted Apricot nila. Meron siya mga gold specks in it. What would I rate it? I think I'd give it a 4. Next naman is Sidlak, which is yung Muted Fuchsia nila. Girl, I think this is for me. 1 siya. Totally a 1 for me. Not a big fan of fuchsia shades. Kahit sabihin mo muted pa yan, nada. I will not wear the shade. Siguro unless I'm sporting a certain look for Instagram or like an editorial look. But this is not something that I would grab in the market or the shop, any shop, whatever. Yeah, this is personally based on my preference. I'm giving it a 1. I don't know, for me kasi yung mga fuchsia or muted fuchsia, yung gantong color and i-match mo with a gloss finish, it's just, I don't know, for me it's just too intimidating. So I'm not sure if there are a lot of people who would work this color. I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are a fan of muted fuchsia or you would sport it. But for me, I'd have to pass. Next is Nilap, which is a power red. And this is definitely a 5 for me. At first, yeah, 5 siya kasi red. And then, usually kasi guys, yung mga red na glossy, medyo ano din ako, alanganin din ako kasi konti lang yung nag-workout na ganyan. Kasi yung red, guys, it's already an intimidating color. How much more i-pair up mo pa siya with a glossy finish? It's usually intimidating, but this one works out naman. Last but not the least is Nasiling. Now, this is really, really cute. Nagulat ako na nagustuhan ko siya kasi mga warm terracottas are usually not my shade. I'm gonna give it a 5. This kind of shade, I'd really, really recommend it sa mga deeper morenas, lalo na yung mga warm, deep morenas. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so good on you guys. Parang magiging, ano siya, magko-complement talaga siya sa skin nyo. Magiging perfect glossy nude siya para sa inyo. It's really, really good. I can just imagine my morena friends sporting this. Super bagay to sa inyo, guys. Lalo na kapag naglagay pa kayo ng mga glowing eme highlighter sa body. Nako, very, very perfect. Okay guys, before I discuss my final verdict and recommendations, can we just talk about how nagulat ako na ang daming nagre-release ng mga lip gloss at this time. I see a lot of brands releasing lip glosses. PINAS, Hello Gorgeous. Yeah, I'm about to review that. And there's another brand who's sending me a set of lip glosses as well. Colored, I think, also released lip glosses. Ang dami nag-release ng lip gloss. Nagulat ako. As in, I'm shook. Like, siguro na-plan out na nila to before the pandemic even started. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are still gonna buy lip glosses even though naka-mask tayo and naka-pandemic. Ipupush nyo pa rin yung pag-lip gloss kahit, you know, kahit naka-mask tayo. Anyway, for my final verdict and recommendations, what I love about their packaging, twisty type na packaging. Yung maganda dito sa mga twisty type packaging, if i-compare nyo sa typical na doe foot packaging, yung gloss sa packaging na to ay hindi siya mako-contaminate if you are planning to top your lip gloss sa lip base. Yung issue kasi sa mga lip glosses na nasa doe foot na packaging is if you apply gloss on top of a lip base, when you dunk it again back sa component, mako-contaminate yung gloss. Magiging cloudy and muddy yung gloss and hindi na siya as shiny, as, you know, spectacular. So for the coverage naman, yung coverage niya ay sheer to full. What I was hoping sana na yung nabibuild up is yung shine, not the color. Kasi for me, when you say tinted lip gloss, tint lang talaga siya. Tapos yung coverage hanggang yung max, sige, medium. Pero hindi na aabot ng full coverage. One example for that is yung EB Advanced na vinyl lip gloss and even the Careline na color changing gloss. So kahit yun guys, yung dalawang products na yun ay may tint siya. Pero when you build it up, yung pigment ay hindi nabibuild up, pero yung shine yung nabibuild up. So that's it for my review. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of the products and of the shades. If bibili kayo ng glosses at this time, let me know. I want to hear your thoughts. Also, if you have any makeup or beauty questions that you have for me, you can always message me on my Instagram account is Booya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of the Boo fam, we have a Facebook and Discord server. So if you want to be a part of those groups, the link will be in the description box below. Please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.